Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Geek, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your login errors in Chime. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and is working properly. Now there are two ways to fix your login errors. First is by updating the app. To update the app, go to the App Store and on the search bar, type in Chime. Then search. Now here you can see, if you haven't updated the app yet, there will be an update button right next to Chime. Tap on the update button, and once the update is completed, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then go back, tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down until you find Chime. Once you find it, tap on it. Tap on the option that says Offload App. Tap on it again. Once the app is done offloading, tap on Reinstall App. As you can see here, Chime is being reinstalled into my phone. Once it is done reinstalling, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then try restarting your phone and try again. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.